Avocado, rich in potassium, amino acids, and fatty acids, is beneficial for revitalizing and deep conditioning dry hair, supporting hair health, DNA repair, and supple skin. Avocado oil, rich in lecithin, acts as a lubricant, protecting hair follicles from harsh climates and wind damage, potentially promoting hair strengthening and improved scalp health. Avocado oil, rich in fatty acids, can protect hair from damage caused by sun, seawater, or chlorine. Regular application can enhance lubrication and prevent hair breakage. Avocado oil, a nutrient-rich oil, can boost hair health when used internally and topically. It can also act as a natural hair growth aid when used as a carrier for essential oils. Tangled hair, especially for kids and adults, can be caused by weather conditions, fine hair, or dry hair. Applying avocado oil before brushing can help keep hair moisturized, not free, and detangle it. Dandruff is a scalp disorder caused by excessive shedding of dead skin flakes. Natural oils like avocado can help in both dry and oily skin conditions. Regular massages with avocado oil can improve or prevent itchy scalp. Combining essential oils with castor oil can also help with hair growth and dandruff control. Avocado oil, a potent source of hydrating lipids, can be used as a hair treatment to combat common signs of hair damage like split ends and tangles, as well as cuticle breakdown. Avocado oil can help detangle hair ends, allowing for smoother brushing. Use fingers to coat, comb through tangles, and use a wide-toothed comb or hairbrush for further care. Avocado contains potassium and magnesium, which can help lock in moisture, enhancing hair's texture and shine. Avocados stimulate hair growth by unclogging follicles and promoting blood flow. They also contain potassium, which regulates fluid balance and prevents hair loss, making them a beneficial hair care product. Avocado's natural oils can moisturize and rejuvenate a dry scalp, supporting the scalp's natural barrier, preventing inflammation, and soothing irritated and flaky scalp.